I am in the mood to treat the parents because who deserves comfort more than them? Let me take you to Sleep Lab by Celeste Home Fashion to experience luxury and comfort. The Sleep Lab has a variety of premium mattresses for all age groups. It's definitely a one-of-a-kind experience where you get to actually lay down on the mattresses and experience it. Let me tell you about the 3 mattresses that I liked from my parents. Number 1 is Hot, the complete hotel experience. It has a superior back support which helps with improving posture. It has a dual layer of pocket springs and it also prevents sinking with the natural bounciness of latex. Number 2 is Hybrid, the 2 sides of luxury. It offers 2 sides of comfort, with one being memory foam and the other side being ortho surface. This mattress is the ideal choice for people with back issues. It's evenly distributed weight for active comfort. And last but not the least, Heal, a full stop to backaches. Uniquely engineered to create the perfect surface for your body. It has a robust Bonnell spring system, a thick layer of orthopedic contour foam, and posture channels to relieve pressure. I had such a pleasant experience and I'm so happy Sleep Lab exists. They also have a Ramadan replacement scheme where you can replace your already existing multi-mattress and get the new mattress at 20% off. It's definitely a steal deal, to be honest.